A wedding day is like this incredible, complex ballet, right? So many moving parts. But even with the best team, one wrong step can lead to a day of disaster. Today, we're going to break down how you can prevent those mistakes before they ever get a chance to happen. We have all heard the horror stories, haven't we? Guests getting lost on the way to the venue, the florist showing up late, timelines going completely off the rails. But you know what? These aren't just random bits of bad luck. They're actually symptoms of a much bigger underlying problem. So here's the big question. What's the one thing that connects all of these potential disasters? It's probably not what you think. It isn't about having an unskilled team. It's about the system, or lack thereof, that your team is forced to work with. And the culprit? It's those outdated, old-school systems. Yeah, I'm talking about scattered spreadsheets, a million different email threads, and those endless group text chains. These tools aren't just a little inefficient. They are a guaranteed recipe for disaster. This slide just lays it out so perfectly, doesn't it? A tale of two systems. On the left, you've got the traditional way. Fragmented information, conflicting updates leading to total last-minute panic. But on the right, the digital way. Centralized data, real-time syncs, and proactive planning. It is a complete shift from chaos to control. Okay, so how do we actually make that shift? Well, it's not about just going out and buying some fancy new software. It's about implementing a solid framework. So let's walk through this 5-step digital blueprint that leads to flawless event execution. Here's our roadmap. It's 5 key steps: centralize, automate, visualize, assign, and standardize. Each one of these steps builds on the one before it, creating a system that is, honestly, practically unbreakable. First things first, centralize. This is your foundation. Everything, and I mean everything, from the guest list with all the dietary needs to the florist's contract. It all lives in one single place. So when the chef needs to double-check on a guest's nut allergy, they're not digging through emails. They're looking at the most current information, guaranteed. Now, once everything's in one place, you can automate. This is where you basically eliminate human error. So the timeline shifts by 15 minutes, boom. The entire team gets an automatic alert on their phone. The DJ gets a reminder about the new setup time. No more, oops, I missed that email, or I never got that text. Step 3 is to visualize. I want you to forget about those long, boring lists of tasks. Imagine an interactive floor plan or visual timeline that just makes everything click. You can actually see a potential bottleneck in the schedule or a problem with the room layout before it ever turns into a wedding day crisis. This is all about being proactive, not reactive. Next up, assign. So important. Who's the main contact for the photographer? Who's in charge of cueing the wedding party for their entrance? A digital system lets you assign every single task to a specific person. This creates total clarity and accountability. Nothing falls through the cracks because everyone knows exactly what their job is. And finally, we standardize. Look, every single wedding has a ton of recurring tasks. By creating templates and checklists for things like supplier check-ins and guest communications, you're not just saving time, you're building a repeatable, proven recipe for success. Okay, so you've put in the work, you've implemented the 5 steps. What's the real payoff here? Well, it goes way beyond just avoiding a few mistakes. It's about completely transforming the entire event experience for everyone involved. The number one payoff? A massive, massive reduction in stress. The couple can actually kick back and relax on their big day, and your team can operate with confidence, not cortisol. And all that calm behind the scenes, it translates directly to a seamless guest experience. They know where to go, things happen on time, and their special dietary needs are met without any fuss. They'll just remember a beautiful, effortless day. So what happens when you consistently deliver these amazing, flawless events? Your reputation skyrockets. You become known as the venue that just gets it right every single time. And in this industry, that kind of trust is everything. So you see, what we're really talking about here is a fundamental transformation. It's about moving away from the unpredictable chaos of old methods and into the sharp operational clarity that comes with a modern digital system. This quote just nails it. The goal isn't just to be more organized, it's about achieving true operational clarity. It's about empowering your team to perform at their absolute best. At the end of the day, when the tech is working perfectly behind the scenes, you're not just delivering a well-run event. You're delivering peace of mind to your staff, serenity to the happy couple, and the flawless experience for every single guest. So I'll just leave you with this question. Is your team truly operating with clarity, Or are you just a really good chaos manager? The tools to completely change the game are right there. The choice is yours.